Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down a EURUSD move that was called within my trading community. So for those traders that are part of our trading community, you guys were able to take advantage of this EURUSD call out. And in this video, we're going to break it down. I'm going to show you guys the before and the after, and hopefully you guys can gain something from this information. All right, with that being said, if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel and you are not a part of our YouTube family, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I want you to join the family. We live stream throughout the week as well, and for those of you who joined in on our live streams this week, you guys were definitely able to take advantage of the market in your favor. Without further ado, let's get right into the video, and make sure you guys hit that notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into a quick commercial and get right into the video. What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac, and I have an announcement for you. For those of you all a part of my trading community, we are currently up about 20% on our last Euro CAD day trade called out live to all of my trading community. If you are not a part of my trading community, but you want to be able to produce consistent results and you want to be able to have those payouts that you guys see all of my funded traders have, then what I want you to do is I want you to join my trading community. Now, currently, the price of the trading community is only 39 bucks. That's about $1.50 per day when you break it down. That's less than a cup of coffee. So if you're a trader and you're not yet profitable, or if you're a trader and you don't yet understand how to produce results, consistent results from the markets, join Mac Trading Academy's community, because you guys will be able to take advantage of my daily points of interest and entries as well, right? So I look forward to seeing you a part of our community, where I'm going to assist you with producing results the world is not familiar with. I will catch you all on the next one. All right, so before we get into the after and before we get into the breakdown, I wanted to show you guys the before. So this screenshot that you guys are seeing right here was sent out to all of my trading community members. If you are not a part of the trading community, be sure click the link in the description to gain access to my trading community, where I send out all of my daily trades before London and New York session. So as you guys can see here, we were looking for M5 sells within this region here once price taps in. Okay, I told everyone look to collect targets, look to collect profits here within this area for our sells, right? And then once price taps into this region here, I told everyone a part of the trading community, we were going to look for my M5 buy entry schematic, and we were going to look to take profit up here around 1.0227. So within this move, we actually had, or within this trade, we actually had a nice push to the upside and then push to the downside and push back to the upside that students were able to take advantage of, all simply by being a part of the trading community. Let's get into the second. So in the second screenshot, as you guys can see here, right, price had tapped into our M5 sell entry area, right? We had pushed to the downside, we smashed our sell target, and then we tapped into our M5 buy entry opportunity down here within this region, right? An entry was provided, which we're going to go over within this video. And then we can see that our target was around 1.2227, 1.02227, right? So as you guys can see here, if we go back to this third screenshot, and then we have one more where I'm going to show you guys the actual order. We can see that the entry was taken down here within this area on the M5 time frame, which I'm going to show you guys in just a couple of seconds, and my target was up here within this region around 1.02222. All right, as you guys saw before, and we can see that that target was hit for about 10.91% return on investment, just risking 1% equity of your account, right? So now let's get into what I know you guys want to see, which is the actual order itself. So this was the actual order taken on the M5 time frame. This was my day trading take profit. So this is the screenshot of the day trading trade that I took. And then we had another trade running, which was based on the higher time frame, which you guys know, very successful trade. Now let's start to get into a little bit of the breakdown, and I will catch you guys on the charts. All right, guys, so now let's go ahead and start to break down EURUSD higher time frame trade. Remember, all of my trading community and all of my mentorship students were able to take advantage of this trade right here simply by following the trading community, right? So if you don't have access to the trading community, what I want you to do right now, click the link in the description, join in on my trading community. This week alone, we are up over 17% within the trading community, and I want you to be able to take advantage. So click the link. Let's go ahead and make you a funded trader. Go ahead and take advantage of my trading opportunities to produce results that the world is not familiar with. So here's our H4 point of interest. We can see that this point of interest here not only taps into a higher time frame macro demand here that was responsible for flipping supply, all right, but we can also see that we have a small sweep here before price actually taps a little deeper into this higher time frame zone. Once we do have that mitigation, price pushes to the upside, taking out this internal structure here. Now remember, we are still bullish right now for the time being on EURUSD, but this counter trend here is just internal substructure, right? That's all we're seeing, and we're waiting for a possible transition into minor structure. Now, this area here, this break to the upside here, gave us that possible transition into minor structure. We can see that price taps into this supply. We get a reaction. That reaction, my traders were able to take advantage of simply by being a part of the trading community. You guys were able to look for possible sell opportunities here. And I also gave you guys not only the entry schematic to look for, but the exact time to look for that entry schematic as well. So once that took place, we can see that price taps into our buy entry opportunity down here within this area, which is based on the H4 zone, which allowed students to pass their funded account challenges. As you guys can see, this trade produced about 10.91% return on investment. So once price taps into that region, right, that allowed for my students to then go to the lower time frame, such as the M5, and look for our possible entry schematic to take place. So here on the M5,
what's going on, traders? I hope you all are doing well. This is your boy Mac, and for those of you that have been contacting me saying, Mac, how do I pass my funding challenge? I've taken multiple challenges, I continue to fail, all I need is 10%, what should I do? For those of you all who continue to ask me that question, for those of you all who continue to struggle with your own capital and you need more capital in order to really have a return on investment, what I want you to do is join me on my next live trading session. For those mentorship students who joined me on today, we were able to produce 17.49% live on the charts. I show you guys my analysis. I show you guys where I'm taking my buy positions. I show you guys where I'm taking my sell positions. And all you have to do as a mentorship student is join in on the live trading. So for those of you who want to become funded traders, I am going to assist you, and I'm going to make it very, very simple for you to join the mentorship program. What I want you to do is look in the description down below. Click the link to join Mac Trading Academy, sign up for the next live trading session, right? And I want you to pass your funding challenge with flying colors, okay? I'm also going to give you guys 25% off the mentorship program just to make it a little easier for you guys to get your funds together to join in on the mentorship program. I look forward to seeing you on our next live trading session where I will be showing you guys all of my trades so you can pass your funded challenge. This is Mac, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
So here on the M5 time frame, you guys can see that this is my higher time frame zone that we discussed earlier, right? Based on the macro, we can see that sellers are continuing to stay in control as price continues to make lower lows within these regions. We see a lower low here, price taking out this structure, price swinging to the upside, sweeping liquidity, and then pushing back down again to give us another sweep of liquidity to take out this demand here and overcome buyers. Once price settles down within this area here, we can see we have a nice push to the upside. Price essentially has an interaction with supply within this region here. Right, we have a little bit of a flip opportunity where demand comes into the market, right? Before demand comes into the market, however, we do have a lower time frame mitigation of this demand here, and we also have the sweep of liquidity. So this area for entry is very, very important to us. We then see we have that nice push to the upside after supply has failed, right? We create this higher high region here. And we also create a lot of imbalance within the market that we're anticipating the market to come back and close. Anytime you guys see imbalance, all right, mixed with other confluences, it can be very, very important, right? Price eventually comes back down to our entry area. We took our entry at this demand right here, all right, risking about 8.5 pips, but the amount of pips we're risking doesn't matter because it's just 1% equity of our entire trading account, right? So this was our entry right here within this area, risking about 8.5 pips, and then price starts to push to the upside. My day trading target was right here within this area. All right, this was my day trading target, as you guys were able to see within this screenshot previously. right? And then from there, we're just looking for our higher time frame target to be hit, which was based on the H4, which I gave to all of our community traders as well, right? So as you guys can see here, this trade here produced about 10.91%, passing 100% of your funded account challenge, simply by just taking advantage of the Academy's trades. That's it. That's all you have to do. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. I look forward to seeing you guys in our next live stream. Make sure you guys join in on our free Telegram. The link is in the description down below. All right, join in our free Telegram to be notified whenever I go live. All right, I'll be dropping throughout the weeks when I'll be going live, so you guys can join in, ask me questions. If you guys need assistance with analyzing your pair, if you guys have specific questions that you need answers to, no worries. All you have to do, keep up to date with the Telegram community, join in on the live streams, and I look forward to seeing you guys there. Also, feel free to hit the bell notification icon to be notified whenever I do go live, just in case you missed those updates. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.